gotta drop the bag on some hooks. Oh!
Ooh, still got the shaved head, guys. We are going fishing. We are taking out the kayaks. Let's get right into it. There's my setup. Nice little boring kayak. Look at this guy over here.
Alright guys, so I'm throwing my bait caster for the first time. We got a Lose, what is this, 5 bearing 7-1-1 gear ratio on a Lose. This is basically a combo that I got from Dick's. And I've never really used a bait caster before, but today we are throwing, right now I'm throwing this little frog. Might throw a little jerkbait, maybe crankbait, but let's get her done. I think. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. No, 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 no! You. Alright guys, so we are at a new lake going kayak fishing. Look, you can see the carp right there. The carp are in there. Dude, there's like 20-inch carp I'm staring at. Look like some grass Asian carp, some little grass carp. That girl, ew. We got the paddleboard. About to get lit today. Got the yaks. The yaks are here.
Bread.
Got the bread. Everybody eats.
Done, ill. Yeah.
Little baby bull. Spit my worm out though. Oh yeah. Ripping baby lips over here. Ah. Ah. There you go. Ah, yes. Slinging them all day, baby. Oh yeah, this little trunker right here. This guy's probably like a pound or so. Yeah, he's actually pretty nice. And I landed that one. Oh yeah.
All right, everybody, I'm back in a new fishing spot. I went on my kayak with my friends and we landed some bass. But I was here the other day and I actually landed some bass. I'll drop some pics right here. Yeah, I know, some pretty beautiful bass. I know. But guys, here we are again, and let's try to land some on camera. I didn't bring the camera with me. Let's get her done.
Oh, fish on. Bass on. Oh, got him. Yeah, buddy. Got him on camera. I'm actually really hyped right now. Nice little bassel. Yeah, buddy. Let's get this guy back in the water. Oh yeah, I'm hyped. My boy smacked it pretty hard, but all I'm throwing right now is a nice little Texas rig. Very simple. I like to switch when I throw a soft little plastic like this. I like to switch it from either Texas rig or wacky worm. Right now, your boy's got a little Texas rig. Gary Yamamoto, baby. think I'm on. I think I'm on. Ready? Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. Oh my God, I'm on. Oh my God. Oh, I'm about to break my pole. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Ah. Come on. Oh, I got him. Oh, there you go, baby. Look at that. Look at that butte right there. Oh my God, I'm hyped right now. Let's get him back in there. Beautiful fish right there, I'll be honest. Yeah. Guys, this is all on my GoPro. I'm sorry I did not bring my nice camera to make the picture a little bit better, but damn, that might have been one of the biggest bass I've ever caught. You know, nothing to brag about too much. Man, I'm very happy to finally land some bass. It's the middle of June. I've been struggling all April, May, and June to land some trout, land some bass, but we're landing them. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. But let's keep fishing. Woo. Little man. My boy got caught right in the face. Little baby chunk. Another little baby.